The goal for the next 20 days is to speak English with confidence in your daily life, at school, and in common job situations. To reach that point, we are going to convert this 20-day agenda into an actionable daily study roadmap. Start by gathering your materials. You will need a calendar covering May 18th to June 20th, a notebook, and a voice recorder app on your phone. There is one rule that determines your success. You cannot simply read the lessons. You must practice speaking aloud every single day. Preparing these tools and committing to active vocal practice is the first step toward moving from recognizing words to actually using them in conversation. On your calendar, block out the first 6 days for Cycle 1. This period is dedicated strictly to your foundations. Days 1 through 5 focus on the mechanics, alphabet sounds, the to be verb, and using articles like a, an, and the correctly. On day 3, you will focus on the SVO layout, the subject, verb, object sequence that forms the basis of simple English sentences. Understanding this structure early on prevents confusion when you begin building more complex sentences later in the month. This leads to your day 6 milestone. You will review the previous rules and record a self-introduction to track your progress. Cycle 1 is designed to build the structural habit you need to form basic, complete sentences without hesitation. Next, block out days 7 through 12 for Cycle 2. Here, the focus shifts from individual rules to active interactions. Day 8 is particularly important. You will practice using what, where, who, and how to ask questions and extract information from others. By day 10, you will be describing people's looks and talking about what is happening right now using the present continuous form. At this stage, do not worry about perfect grammar. Your priority is simply the act of asking and answering aloud. You will finish this cycle on day 12 by performing role plays, such as ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions. Cycle 2 serves as the bridge, allowing you to take what you've learned and apply it to common daily scenarios. Finally, block out the third cycle. This is where you transition your English skills into more formal and career-oriented settings. On days 13 and 14, you move through a timeline, sharing memories from your past and then describing your plans for the future. From day 15 to day 17, you will cover essential professional skills, including phone manners, sharing opinions, and the basics of a job interview. On day 18, your milestone is a mock interview, where you will practice talking about your skills and answering standard questions. Dedicate days 19 and 20 exclusively to your final recap and preparing for your graduation day. Following this schedule ensures you complete all the key objectives of the course, from social vocabulary to public speaking. This final cycle prepares you for the formal interactions and professional conversations you will encounter in the workplace. Review your completed roadmap. You now have a structured plan for every day of the next month. The plan is clear. You know exactly when you are reviewing grammar, when you are role-playing, and when you are preparing for your interview. Go to day 20 on your physical calendar and write down "Deliver Final Speech." This is your target date. Open your day 1 materials right now. Set your initial language goals and start your first speaking session today. A calendar is a helpful tool, but your progress only truly begins the moment you take a breath and start speaking.